Dear students, today we are going to deliver the last lecture and the last activity sheet based on Voyaging Towards Excellence by Achyut Godbole. So this chapter is very important for you, and so try to solve almost all the activities related with this particular chapter, and you have to listen the content matter carefully and understand it. If you have any difficulty, please call me. So you are suggested to refer page number 82 and page number 83, page number 82 and page number 83 of the textbook. Page number 82 and page number 83 of the textbook for the content matter. Coming back to my groups in IIT, coming back to my groups in IIT, my friends were not only intelligent than me, but they were very well read. माझे मित्र केवळ बुद्धिमान होते असं नाही, तर त्यांचं अफाट वाचन होतं. They were well read, they were highly experienced, they had interest in all the subjects like science, technology, sociology, psychology, economics, philosophy, anthropology, archaeology, political science, etc. म्हणजे अष्टपैलू व्यक्तिमत्व ज्याला म्हणतो, अशा पद्धतीचे अष्टपैलू व्यक्तिमत्व असणारे मित्र हे लेखकाचे होते की ज्यांना विविध विषयांमध्ये विज्ञान, तंत्रज्ञान, समाजशास्त्र, मानसशास्त्र, अर्थशास्त्र, तत्त्वज्ञान, मानववंशशास्त्र, राज्यशास्त्र या सर्व विषयांमध्ये अभिरुची होती. केवळ अभिरुचीच होती असं नाही, तर त्यांचं त्याच्यामध्ये प्रावीण्यसुद्धा होतं, त्याच्यामधला त्यांचा सखोल अभ्यासही होता. Our group was interested in all of these branches apart from all the fine arts such as music, literature, painting. In short, our group was immediately ready to do anything. I was interested in almost anything under the sun and which concerned human life and existence. या सूर्यप्रकाशाखाली जे काही घडते आहे आणि मानवी अस्तित्व कशा स्वरूपाचं आहे हे जाणून घेण्यासाठी मी उत्सुक होतो. I was immediately attracted to the group and developed immense and deep interest in all these branches of knowledge. ज्ञानाच्या या सगळ्या शाखांनी मला आकर्षित करून टाकलं. None of these subjects were part of our curriculum at IIT. IITचा आणि या विषयांचा तसा काहीही दुरान्वयाने संबंध नव्हता. But again, I never studied for scoring marks in any examination. Scoring mark was never the target, was never the dream of the writer. Here was a sea of knowledge. Here was a sea of knowledge in front of me. माझ्यासमोर ज्ञानाचा अथांग सागर होता. Which I thought was necessary to pass the examination of life. आयुष्याची परीक्षा यशस्वी होण्यासाठी आपल्याला या ज्ञानाच्या समुद्राची, या ज्ञानाच्या सागराची गरज होती. Which was far more important than just passing IIT examination. It is quite easy to pass the IIT examination, but it is rather difficult to become a good human being. It is the feeling of the writer. It is very difficult to become a master or an expert of all these subjects, but it was very important for me to understand at least the basic principles of most of these subjects. Any of us could easily top the GRE examination and migrate to US. However, that thought never even touched our minds. To understand the world and how it works and serving India and her people was far more important for us. आपण सोडून जगातली बाकी राष्ट्र आपल्यासाठी काय योगदान देत आहे, ते आपल्यासाठी काय करत आहे, आपल्या उत्कर्षासाठी, आपल्या देशातल्या शांततेसाठी, आपल्या प्रगतीसाठी त्यांनी कशा पद्धतीने आजतागायत योगदान दिलेलं आहे ते पाहणं, ते अभ्यासणं आणि त्या दृष्टिकोनातून आपली भूमिका बदलवणं, इट वॉज एसेन्शियल फॉर मी. देअरफॉर आय प्लंग्ड into all these branches of knowledge. To plunge into is a phrase meaning ज्यामध्ये उडी घेणे, ज्यामध्ये स्वतःला समर्पित करणे. Therefore I plugged into all these branches of knowledge. It was a period of renaissance for me. Renaissance means परिवर्तन. माझ्या आयुष्यातला हा परिवर्तनाचा कालावधी होता, सुधारणेचा कालावधी होता, आयुष्यात सकारात्मक बदल घडवून आणण्याचा कालावधी होता. इट वॉज अ पिरियड ऑफ रेनेसान्स फॉर मी. वी यूज टू डिस्कस अबाउट रिलेटिव्हिटी. Relativity is the theorem being presented by Robert Einstein. Big Bang, aesthetics, literature, philosophy, economics, and many other subjects every day until late into the nights. उशिरा रात्रीपर्यंत आम्ही या वेगवेगळ्या विषयांवरती चर्चा करत असू की ज्यामध्ये समावेश असेल तर तो सौंदर्यशास्त्राचा, तर कधी तंत्रज्ञानाचा, तर कधी सामाजिक शास्त्राचा. It is only because of the human curiosity that we have been able to make such a great progress in science and technology and social sciences. I have a number of limitations, but one thing I am proud of is the curiosity, humility, and humanity that is concern for our human beings. मला या गोष्टीचा अभिमान आहे की मला IITने काय दिलं, तर IITने मला उत्सुकता दिली, IITने मला विनयशीलता प्रदान केली, IITने मला मानवतेचा दृष्टिकोन प्रदान केला आणि आमच्या सहकारी मित्रांसोबत जीवन जगताना आम्हाला या सर्व गोष्टींची नितांत आवश्यकता असते. I also became a firm believer in rationalism and equality. Rationalism म्हणजे वास्तववाद, वास्तववाद आणखीन समानता या तत्वांवरचा माझा विश्वास दिवसागणिक मजबूत होत गेला, दृढ होत गेला. I also became a firm believer in rationalism and equality for all these castes, creeds, races, genders, and religions. लेखकाच्या मतानुसार कुठल्याही प्रकारे जातीभेद, पंथभेद, वंशभेद, लिंगभेद किंवा धार्मिक स्वरूपात असणारे अंतर्गत मतभेद असता कामा नये. जर ते असतील तर या जगाच्या पाठीवरती शांतता सौख्य नांदू शकत नाही असं त्याला मनोमन वाटायचं. आय स्टार्टेड ट्रीटिंग नेचर ॲज गॉड. व्हॉट अ ग्रेट फिलॉसॉफी. किती महान तत्त्वज्ञान आहे की मी निसर्गाला प्रतिपरमेश्वर मानलं. आय स्टार्टेड ट्रीटिंग नेचर ॲज गॉड अँड ह्युमॅनिटी ॲज रिलिजन. आय स्टार्टेड ट्रीटिंग नेचर ॲज गॉड. निसर्ग हा माझा गुरु आहे अँड ह्युमॅनिटी इज माय रिलिजन. आणि मानवता हा माझा धर्म आहे. या तत्वानुसार तो आयुष्य व्यतीत करत राहिला, आयुष्याचा प्रवास चालू राहिला. सो दिस मच पार्ट इज हिअर which is on page number 82 and 83 of your textbook. You are suggested to read this passage carefully from the textbook at your home, and thereafter if you have any problem you can call me on my WhatsApp number. And now here is the activity sheet based on this article. Number 1, A1. Choose the correct answer from the following options. The main idea here is number 1, arts and music are necessary. Arts and music are necessary for the all-round development of students. Number 2, arts and music have no place in IITs. Arts and music have no place in IITs. The third option here is nationalism is the most important value. Nationalism is the most important value. A2. Make a list of subjects. Make a list of subjects. The writers group was interested in. A3. The writer did not think of going abroad. Explain why. A4. Why do you think music is important in life? Why do you think music is important in life? A5 is the question related with grammar, and there are two separate statements given for you. The first one is here. They had interest in all the subjects. ब्रॅकेट मध्ये सूचना घ्यायची आपल्याला. आयडेंटिफाय द टेन्स. नंबर 2, इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू बिकम मास्टर ऑफ एनी सब्जेक्ट. इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू बिकम मास्टर ऑफ एनी सब्जेक्ट. ब्रॅकेटमध्ये सूचना घ्यायची आहे. मेक इट निगेटिव्ह विदाउट चेंजिंग meaning. Make it negative without changing meaning. A6 vocabulary. Match the pairs in column A. Match the pairs in column A with column B and write the opposite words. Give the antonyms which are mentioned in column B. Number 1. ए कॉलम मध्ये लिहित आहात आपण. ए कॉलम मध्ये आपल्याला लिहायचा आहे पहिला शब्द इमेन्स. आय डबल एम ई एन सी ई. आय डबल एम ई एन एस ई सॉरी. आय डबल एम ई एन एस ई. नंबर 2 ह्यूमिलिटी. एच यू एम आई एल आई टी वाय. एच यू एम आई एल आई टी वाय. नंबर 3 क्यूरियोसिटी. CURIOSITY. Curiosity. Number 4 migrate. So the 4 words are given in column A. The 4 words are here in column B. A. Disinterest. Disinterest. Number B. Stay at a place. C. Less. D. Pride. PRIDE. So here is the first activity sheet for you and the second activity sheet is coming here. A1. Choose correct answer. Choose correct answer from the following options. The message of the text is. The message of the text is. A. Do not miss the chance of going to US. B. Study the subjects of curriculum only. C. Believe in humanism and rationalism. RATIONALISM. D. Differences of caste, creed. CREED. creed म्हणजे पंथ. रेस. RACE रेस. वंश. रिलीजन. will remain. A2. Complete the following sentences. Number 1. Pace of all round human development is. Pace of all round human development is. Number 2. The writer regarded nature as रिकामी जागा आपल्याला भरायची आहे. and humanity as. A3. How was the writer going to pass the following 2 examination? Number 1. Examination of IIT. Number 2. Examination of life. A4. Tell in your view the role of human curiosity the role of human curiosity in the development of science. A5 grammar. The first statement is coming here. One thing I am proud of. One thing I am proud of is the curiosity. Is the curiosity. ब्रॅकेट मध्ये सूचना घ्या. Make it simple. Number 2. Serving India and her people. Serving India and her people was far more important to us. ब्रॅकेट मध्ये सूचना घ्या. Change into positive degree. And the last activity is coming here. A6 vocabulary. Use the phrases in your own sentences. Number 1. To be proud of. Number 2. To plunge into. So the matter is explained before you. 2 activity sheets are provided for you. You have to solve it. Please solve it and send your answer on my WhatsApp number. Even if you have any difficulty in solving the problem, kindly call me. I will explain all your problems. Okay, so thanks a lot.